Welcome back to the channel. This is Roberto with Full Curl Precision again. Just giving a little video update on the website. Uh, I'll show it to you. We got some more photos posted. We're actually working on some other things, including different color options for like ammo boxes and on the hats. I'll be able to show it once I get it. We've got some shirts coming. The shirt design, something simple. But we are working on a camo hat with the logo on it as well. So let me turn this around. So home page, mind you, this is on the computer. So yeah, that's a zoomed in photo of the ammo box that I had and some loads. Showing a little bit more what we're doing. You know, the rifle, this is the rifle I'm working on right here. So yeah. Yeah, some more updates. Check that out. I think that looks really cool. That's a really cool photo. I like it. That's the company right there, Full Curl Precision. All right. So if we go into the About Us, here again, some more of the rifle we're working on. Here's another aspect. We are going to be working on a new patterning for rifling itself, the actual grooves. And so, yeah, we're not just trying to sell junk product. We're trying to sell high quality product here and give you something to look at. Here we go. Zoom down a little bit more. There you go. There's more zoomed in. That's my gunsmith right there. He's a good guy. I like working with him. Just a beautiful rifle. But yeah, if we go into the shop section, here we go. This gives you different views of the box itself. We're not doing low grade. Like, we make them thick out of some really strong materials. So there's a reason why these aren't that cheap. We are making them to order, but we're also really meticulous about how we put these together. We like to have it where you can rely on it to work. So yeah, we're gonna have the black hat. We're gonna have multiple colors available as far as the logo. So if you're like, oh yeah, I want a different color logo other than orange, just put it in the order. So like if I go back here a second, the home page, you come down. See, here you go. You can actually message. Like, you put your name in, you put your message, you tell us, do you want a camouflage hat? Do you want a black hat? These are, by the way, these are stretch fit hats. And I like these as opposed to the typicals, because I find that they have less problems. I have machine washed this thing a handful of times. It's holding up great. This is large, extra large, so we have different sizes you can do. Let me turn this. I literally use this thing. You can see I'm not light on my stuff. I beat it up, and you know what? It's comfortable. It's still comfortable. So that's what we're doing. Yes, we are working on a new rifling. I was able to pay off for the new tooling because I'm retooling the case design and the chambering. That's coming in. But yeah, and then eventually, to rebarrel that Bergara there on the back, the one with the thicker barrel. That's the plan, is to do that, and then to rebarrel it with a 24-inch barrel and with the rifling pattern that I have. We'll see how that goes. You know, things are tight getting into tax season, right? So there's those things. There's priorities first, and so yeah, all in trying to do proof of concept. Is it necessarily the cheapest to do all of this? No, but the thing is, it's also not as crazy expensive as people think it is. It comes down to how you do it. being able to make some contacts, and where you choose to spend your money. It's not that I'm making so much more than anybody else. It's I don't go out and party. I don't go out drinking. I still don't spend my money on a lot of other things. I used to do some gaming. That kind of got to be expendy when a lot of subscriptions went up. So I kind of made a decision to cut that out and cut out a lot of other things. And it's like, I don't miss them. I'm fine with this. This is much more enjoyable. I get way more pleasure out of engineering and trying to come up with something new. I find them much happier this way, instead of spending the time to solely focus on me. This is just me pouring myself into something useful. And I find that I'm typically happier when I spend my time helping others or inventing something that would be useful to others. And so that's where I'm at with things. So no, I'm not rolling in cash to where I was like, oh yeah, you got money to spend on this and blah, 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 blah. The thing is, everybody's got money to spend somewhere. It's where you choose to spend it. So, it's where you decide you'd rather spend your money. If you want to spend your money on alcohol and doing all this other stuff, then you're not going to have the funds for something like this. For what you're spending, most guys spend on drinking, they could have some pretty nice equipment every year. And that's not a joke. Same thing when it comes to most tobacco products and things like that. And no, I'm not preaching at anybody, telling them what to do. It's you make your choice. You live with it. But at the end of the day, don't complain about it. That's it. So I'm happy doing this. And again, we're not trying to just sell you anything. These are high quality products, very meticulous about them. Like, that's going to be the new design right there. Is you're going to get that for quick reference. But again, nice finish. Yeah, we don't go cheap on what we're trying to do. So we try to build quality to where you buy it and you have it. And here's the crazy part. I was going through a local farm and farm and ranch store, and you can't spend anymore, even just cheap 3D printed or whatever molded plastic. You're still spending $17-18 for a 100 rounder. So here's the thing. For a little bit more, you can get one of mine and have it be built way better and have it built to your spec. So, do you want a long action box? Do you want a short action box? Do you want Magnum, non-Magnum, 50-50? There's different options here. We can mix this around. So, yeah, that's the update on the website. And I appreciate all the support, but again, anything you do with this will help fund more towards us being able to get all these projects done. Because trust me, I really want to get these done as soon as possible, but it's not cheap to do so. So again, I appreciate all the support. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and we'll talk to you again.